Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how to use Windows desktop mode on ROG Xbox Ally X. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first thing you have to do is turn on your ROG Ally X and unlock it, and then swipe up from the button of your screen to open task switcher. Then tap Windows desktop to switch from gaming mode to full Windows 11 desktop mode. And after that, you'll now see the normal Windows interface, start menu, taskbar, and examples like that. Use the controls like this: right joystick, move the cursor, and then left. You know the basics. Just press on these buttons, and after that, just use the touchscreen or connecting mouse keyboard to or to connect a monitor. Plug in a USB-C hub or HDMI adapter, then press Windows plus speed and choose duplicate, extend, or second screenplay, and then go back to gaming mode, swipe up again, select ROG Ally launcher, and then press the Xbox button. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.